My name is Alek Bhattacharya, and here I will discuss my philosophy of education and how it connects to align international universities' impact values. Now, throughout my experience in this program, my philosophy on education evolved from a focus on content delivery to an emphasis on learning environments, active engagement, and real world application. My philosophy on education is primarily influenced by pragmatism, which emphasizes learning through experience and real world application. I believe education is not simply about memorizing information, but also about helping students develop the knowledge and necessary skills to function in the real world. At Alliant International University, the impact values inclusivity, mentorship, passion, accountability, communication, and teamwork play an important role in shaping how educators support student growth. These values align closely with my philosophy because they emphasize collaboration, responsibility, and creating a meaningful learning experiences. My philosophy also reflects the CSE guidelines of LEAD, which stands for Leadership, Engagement, Application, and Dedication. Now, one of the most important responsibilities of a teacher is to facilitate learning by creating and engaging a supportive classroom environment. Teachers should encourage curiosity and critical thinking rather than focus solely on memorization. One major example would be in a mathematics classroom. Instead of asking the students to simply memorize formulas, I would encourage them to apply their learning in real life situations. Students might measure the perimeter or area of objects in the classroom using measuring tapes. This type of activity helps students understand the practical value of what they are learning. Now, going back to pragmatism, it also emphasizes scientific inquiry and questioning ideas. According to Webb and Mehta in Founding Foundations of American Education, the knowledge develops through questioning, testing, and examining evidence. This means that students should actively explore ideas rather than passively receiving information. Communication and collaboration are also vital parts of our learning process. Students should feel comfortable sharing ideas, discussing problems, and working together. The impact value emphasizes the respectful and effective communication, which I would strive to model in my classroom. Finally, the assessment should reflect on how students apply their knowledge and think critically, not just on how they perform on tests. Education should help students develop independence, problem skills, and confidence in their abilities. Overall, my philosophy on education emphasizes experience, inquiry, collaboration, and real world learning. By incorporating impact values into my collaboration, I hope to create a classroom environment that supports both academic growth and meaningful participation in society. Thank you for watching.